if I had somebody knew what they were doing,
Yeah, exactly.
and bump it out, you know.
Yeah, well, this one
I don't want to do it myself. It looks really rough. It looks like that. This is really good. I had a guy. That's not right.
I won't trip you.
No, nice.
This, yeah. I think that's the school.
Yeah, no, we wouldn't know yet. I just do know that this is it can most definitely probably not be so
And the rain report, but that's not. And these two. Oh, and the G bucket.
Okay. I saw that one when I came in.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. This one's a drive. I'll probably